Welcome to Mods for Me. We created a social media type of application where the main demographic is people who play video games and are interested in modding them. A modification or mod for a video game is added content for a game created by its players. Our target users are people who are interested in sharing and viewing other people's list of mods for their games. Alright, so let's go over some test cases. First, I'm going to log in. Alright, so for an update query, I'm going to show you how to change your email. And then you can see right here that it's changed. We also have a delete query if you want to delete your account. So if we go back here, and we can also click on other users and see their profile. We can see for Full Steel, his posted games and things he favorited as well. So now let's try submitting a game. So we're going to go ahead and type the name of the game, the release year, the genre, and then you can also put a description as well. And this is an insert query. You get a notification. All right. So if you want to submit a mod for the game, you can select it from the list of games, and we'll just pick one. The name of the mod. You put a link to the mod, and you can choose if it's a special type of mod, and then the description as well. And this is also an insert query. And then finally, we'll make a mod list. So you make the title of the mod list, you choose a game as well, and then you select the mods for it, and then you can also put how important the mod is to the list, the description as well. You go submit that, and if you go back home.
So if you click on a title of a mod post, it'll bring you to a page dedicated to that mod post. So it shows you the title, the date, and the time that the post was made. It also gives you author details and allows you to follow the author and favorite or unfavorite the user's post. So it'll go to your favorites list for the logged in user. And the mod list shows a description of all the mods that the user chose to highlight in their post, including a link to download and importance in the description. We also allowed users to make comments on mod posts, which will pop up right underneath, and it'll show the new comments. And so for the leaderboard section of our website, we'll start with the user leaderboard. And the most talkative users implements our group by and halving queries, where users who have commented the most on other people's posts and have commented on at least blank amount of different users' posts. So this is where the halving clause will come in. So username 1240 is the leader here with 61 comments on other people's posts. And it was 61 different unique users who made a post that the users commented on as well. So most favorites is simply the user who has got the most favorites on their posts. So in this case, username 245. And for experts on game, it shows users who have posted about every mod listed for a single game. So since the post we made earlier was cool game for cool people, and it only had one mod, and since that post featured that mod, now Riley Cohen is a expert on this game. And so for this one, we used our new index for the post table to implement a faster query. Originally, the query was taking upwards of 2 minutes to find users who were experts on games, since they had to traverse the game table and then the mod table and make sure they all matched. But now with the index on the posts, it took only a quarter of a second to find all the experts for each game. And so the next thing here is the most posted about games. So we have the genres all here. So if you want to see the most posted about horror games, you'll see that game 1651 has 13 posts about it, and so it is the most posted about horror game. And we also have posts with the most visits. So you can see that this post here, it's all randomly generated data for our database, so it's not very human readable, but it has been uniquely visited by 27 of our users, and so it tops the list. We also have filters for titles of the game if you wanted to search for a particular title, or if you wanted to look at FPS games, for example. This post is about an FPS game called This that has 22 unique visitors, and that's all. Thank you.